If you need welding and cutting solutions for your wind turbine, for your pressure vessel, oil tanker, or pipelines, just come to Boda. Boda serves 2 Fortune Global 500 companies with products including Welding Column, Welding Rotator, Positioner, and CNC cutting system. Meanwhile, the Shanghai Essen Welding Fair is upcoming. Be sure to visit our booth.